Welcome to Teachers Heidi's channel. I'm so glad that you come and join me again. Today, we are going to learn about colourful adjectives. Enjoy!
We form adjective using verb plus suffix or noun plus suffix.
Let's start with adjective that ends with AL.
Education with AL becomes educational. Culture with AL becomes cultural.
Coast with AL becomes coastal.
Adjective ends with OUS. Mountain, danger, peril. Adventure, luxury. When you add OUS, you get mountainous, dangerous, perilous, adventurous, and luxurious. Adjective ends with IVE. Attract, impress, decorate. With IVE, you have attractive, impressive, and decorative. Next, we will learn adjective with ING. Appeal, astonish, relax. Entertain, challenge. With ING, you have appealing, relaxing, astonishing, entertaining, and challenging. Adjective ending with FUL. Beautiful, peaceful, thankful, colorful. Adjective ends with ABLE. Enjoy, remark, forgettable, valuable. With ABLE, you have enjoyable, remarkable. That's the end of today's lesson. Hope you have enjoyed it. Do subscribe to Teachers Heidi's channel.